Hi, I am Rajesh Gurule, and we are discussing various questions that may be on your mind as a builder and developer while considering my offer PBC, that is performance based consulting. So the question is how me and my team is going to monitor what your sales executives are going to do, whether they do implement or not. So what is the process or what is the system to monitor that? Now the answer to this question is in two parts. Part one is, as I already mentioned, those are not going to be under my team's direct supervision or management. Those are going to be on your payroll. All sales and marketing executives will be working with you, under you, in your company. So it's not that you don't have to do anything. Of course, you have to do certain tasks. But to make sure that your people, your team members are following those things which I am going to train them in, which or the systems that we are going to devise for you and your team, we are going to make sure that they will follow that. We are not going to do daily reporting, but my assistant, he will be helping you with weekly reporting. He will be working individually with your sales executive, with your sales manager, and he will be looking at the things which were assigned to them, everything, whether that was given to them or not, and all they had to do was just do it. So my assistant is going to monitor that on weekly basis. That is second part. Third is, we are not going to depend on memory of our sales and marketing executive. We are not going to depend on their honesty or dishonesty for that matter. We are going to use some checklist. And this checklist your executive has to fill every day. And they have to submit it to you or your manager. Manager is going to have his own checklist and they will be submitting it to you on daily basis. My assistant will come on weekly basis and he will be checking all those two checklists. You will be given one checklist that you have to follow every day. Now, when I am talking about checklist, don't get overwhelmed that so many checklists are there. No, each checklist is going to take probably 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that, every day. So if your sales executive is going to have say 30 tasks assigned to him, then it will not take him more than 10 minutes to fill the checklist. Same goes for your sales manager and same goes for you also. This checklist will make sure that the things that we have decided to go ahead with, those are followed at very bottom level, means executive level. They are checked again at managerial level. They are checked again at director or owner level. Again, all these three things will be checked at my level by my assistant on weekly basis. Now, it's very rare that when all tasks that we are going to decide, all strategies, all systems, all procedures, when it will go through these 4 checkpoints, it's highly impossible that we will miss anything and your executive will still resist. Of course, initially there is going to be resistance because they have to do those things in new ways. They have never been trained to do such things and now they have it has become mandatory for them to do those things. So there is going to be resistance. The resistance is going to be at executive level, the resistance will be at manager level, and the resistance is going to be at your level also as director or owner. I have seen all these things. But I know how to overcome those things also. And with proper systems, we will make sure that you, your managers, if they are there, and your sales and marketing team, all are following, all are implementing those things and bringing good results, good sales numbers for you and your company. So I hope that answers your question. If you still have any questions or doubts or have any concerns regarding this, the time when we'll meet, we can discuss further. I will show you the examples of checklist for different people. For marketing people, it's going to be different. For sales, it's going to be different. For managers, for you, everybody is going to having different type of checklist. So you can see firsthand how those checklists will help, not only help, but make sure that things are implemented. Looking forward to meet you soon. Let me know when we can meet so that we can take this to the next level. Thanks for watching this, listening to this and reading to this. Have a great day and happy selling.